Welcome back to another body scrub battle. I do love a good battle. In the first corner, we have our reigning champion from Fortune Cookie Soap, weighing in at... What is it weighing in at? Oh yeah, it weighs in at $13 for 5 ounces. This is a foaming sugar scrub from their Untangled series. Oh, and it is a good one. Yes, it is. The details are that it is white peach nectar, black plum, vanilla sugar. It gives a good lather and a great little scrub. I don't like a lot of scrub, you know. It is available in their shop, which is available to everybody. You don't have to be a member of their subscription box. There's a link to their shop in my description box down below. And they have a great Facebook presence. And if it is sold out, you can ask to have it recreated. Oh, how very nice. And in the other corner, we have a contender that thinks it can knock this one off of its perch. The contender weighs in at $42 for 7.8 ounces. It is the Bum Bum or Boom Boom Soldejaneiro cream. This is their body scrub version. This one I'm holding is a deluxe sample size, not the full size that was just stated. What did I like about this one? Yeah, what did you like about this one? It is tropical. That's what I liked about this one. And it gives just a hint of hot buttered popcorn. Not as much as another one that got discontinued, but just a hint. And it has coconut oil. It has a firm but gentle scrub. And it is leaving my skin feeling soft but not greasy or coated. And apparently it contains caffeine for a firmer skin texture. Oh, wow, that's exciting. So, who is going to win this battle? I don't know. Comment down below. What do you think? Have you tried these? We must confer. Yes, we must.
What's making? What's making?
And the winner of Body Scrub Battle number 10 is... the Boom Boom cream. And this was a tough decision. Yes, it was. We picked this one because it is more readily available. But you can still check out Fortune Cookie Soap if you like. Yeah. But this is more readily available. So that is why we gave this one the win. It was a tough, close battle. We thank you for watching today. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, notification bell. Did we say comment? Yeah, I think we did. Hope to see you in another video. We have fun things over here on this channel. That we do. See you soon. Bye-bye.